So this is a peanut. If you go online to Amazon, for example, and you search peanut self-massage, this will pop up more than likely. It's basically two lacrosse balls glued together. And if you don't have something like this, you can put a couple tennis balls or a couple lacrosse balls in a sock and then just tie the sock off at the top and use that. That'll be just fine. Or you could also tape with athletic tape, for example, a couple of tennis balls or lacrosse balls together. But we are going to use this today to massage the muscles in our back, specifically the long paraspinal muscles. And this piece right here in the middle, this little indentation, that is going to be aligned with your spine. And we want that because we don't want the ball rolling over the bony prominences on your spine. That's not going to be comfortable, right? So this is going to go right in the middle, align that with your spine. And I like to put it somewhere in the mid back to start with. So once you've got it in a good position, go ahead and get your feet set out in front of you just a little bit, because you're going to be going up and down like so. And you can do this on the low back. You can do this on the upper back. If you find a spot that is tight, you can do little short mini squats essentially, go up and down in little short strokes, or you can keep doing longer ones. You can go all the way up, you know, between the shoulder blades all the way down to the low back, and it does really feel great. If you want to do the low back, you'll probably just have to take it off and reposition it. You may have to occasionally adjust, you know, how far out the feet are. But overall, this is a great way to do some self-massage for the long paraspinal muscles that run alongside the spine on the back. So enjoy.